Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of CBS 2 examination of year 2024. Question number 84 is the area of the circle circumscribing three identical circles touching each other is pi bracket 2 plus root 3 square divided by 3 square centimeters. What is the radius of one of the smaller circles? Option A 0.5 centimeter, option B 1 centimeter, option C 1.5 centimeter, and option D root 3 centimeters. So suppose this is your bigger circle and its radius is r, and area of this bigger circle is given as pi bracket 2 plus root 3 square divided by 3. So it means we know that the area of the circle is pi r square, so it means r is 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by 3. Okay. So this is your r, or this can be your r, or this can be your r. And suppose more r1 is the radius of the smaller circle, this, because these are identical circles, so the radius is same. So this r1, or this r1. Okay. So this is the radius of the smaller circle, and the area of the radius of the bigger circle is r. This is r1, so this will be r minus r1. From the center of the circle, bigger circle, to the center of the circle, smaller circle is r minus r1, or this we can say this is r, this is also r minus r1. Okay. And this is also r minus r1. Total is r. This is r1, this is r minus r1, this is r minus r1. Okay. So as these are three circles, this angle, total angle is your one identical circle. Total angle is 360, so this angle will be 120. So if we draw a perpendicular from it on O1, O2, then this angle, this will bisect this angle, so this is your 60, and this is your, if you consider now this O, this triangle, this will be O, this is R1, and this will be R minus R1. Okay, this is O point. Okay, so this is R minus R1, this is R1, and this angle will be your 60. So this is perpendicular, sorry, for this it is base, and this will be perpendicular. If we consider this angle, this will be perpendicular, this will be base, and this will be a hypotenuse. So R1 by R minus R1 will be equal to sin 60. Okay. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and from this we can get R1 by R minus R1 is equal to root 3 by 2, or we can put the value of R also here, 2 plus root 3 by root 3 minus R1 into root 3 by 2, or 2R1. This root 3 will cancel out, if we take LCM, root 3 will cancel out, and 2 will come here, 2R1, 2 plus root 3 minus root 3R1. Or we can get further by solving the value of R1 as 1, because 2R1 minus, so 2R1 plus root 3R1 will be there. Okay. So we can take R1 common, and 2 plus root 3 is already there, so R1 comes out 1. So answer is option A, so option B, 1 centimeter. So R1, radius of the smaller circle, will be 1 centimeter. Okay. So this is your outer circle. These are three identical inner circles. This angle will be 120. If you draw a perpendicular, then this will be your 60, then this will be your R minus R1, and this is your R1, because this is 2R1. Because this is R1, this is R1, so this will be R1, and we will cut here. Okay. So now we consider this triangle R1 by R minus R1, sin 60 will be equal to, R minus R1, R1 by R minus R1 is equal to sin 60, so this will be solving this, we get R1 is equal to 1 centimeter. This will be R1, because this is the line joining the center of the two circles, so this will make, and they are touching each other, so this is your 2R1. Okay. So this will be your R1, or we can, this will be R1, because this is the radius of the circle also. So answer is option B.